Okay. Okay, slide up. Slide up. Okay, very good.
Push na kasi kanina eh.
Okay. Let me see. How old are you?
Ni? Ay, tama. Akala ko yun ang dalawang trip pala yun.
Okay.
Kasi 6 lang.
Kasi 6 lang. Okay. Open. Pick up. Okay. Big eyes.
Ako na kay mama. In my bag.
So, ano po ang gusto niyo kung gawin ho natin?
Kaya po.
Meron siyang for bonus ho dito. And then, yung lower niya may sealant na, pero yung upper niya wala pa hong
Oh.
sealant.
Kayo po yung nagsilat po.
Meron pa po siya dito. Andyan pa.
Oh, sige.
Okay. Go, guard.
Silan po and then ano. Silan.
Go, Momo. Go, guard.
Gargle, ano.
Thank you. Anong gusto niyo? Seal na lang?
Seal tapos bunot. Ay, yung ano. Ano yung isisil? Di ba sabi niyo po,
Yung
hindi pwede,
sa upper, yung
Oo.
dalawa.
hindi pa na-seal kasi namaga noon.
Noon,
Oo.
hindi pa tumutubo yung, hindi pa totally tumutubo yung ipin. Okay? So, pwede hong isil yung dalawang upper niya. And then, ano pa hong gusto niyo?
Bunot. Kasi usually sumasakit dito eh. Sa taas.
Okay, let me see.
Sumasakit.
Dito. Oh.
Mas-
Oh.
Yun yung problema pag ano. Namamag.
O kasi nasisiksikan ito. Oo.
Namamag.
So, okay, chin up. Chin up. Okay, open. Okay. So far, wala akong walang medical conditions na i-consider.
Wala po.
So, magbunot po tayo. Bunot po tayo.
Sige pa.
Janice pa yung topical. Dalawa ang bunot po.
Ah, sige.
Okay? Okay? Bunot tayo, ha? And then, think of your ice cream na lang. No? Okay, very good. Maglagay muna akong gamot and then mag-seal tayo. Okay? Ano, Janice? Short po? Yeah. Okay. Okay, chin up. Okay, good. Okay, ganyan lang. Pwede mo ikata. Kaya isang pa, application. Tingnan ko kung kailan ako nag-seal. Very good. Okay ka lang? Okay, open. Please, May tutok yung dust. May tubo. Okay. 2023?
Opo.
Okay. Ganyan lang. Okay, para wala nang sasakit na ipin, ha? Okay? Very good. So, ikagat mo lang. Bite mo lang. Ikagat. It's okay. Huwag mo nang tingnan. Okay, bite. Okay, nandiyan na. Bite lang. Kagat lang. Kagat. Okay. Very good. Very good. Don't move, ha? Very good. Okay. Wow. Back of my shoe. Galing. Galing ah. Pen ang isa applicator. Okay? Okay, mumug ka. Mumug. Go.
Gargle.
Gargle. Para ano natin. Okay, very good.
Dabikit ano ah.
Okay lang. Okay. Okay ka lang. Kanina hindi. Okay, chin up. Okay. Very good. May konti lang ha. Ay, sorry. Sige. Okay, chin up. Okay, very good. Okay. Open lang. Okay. Okay pa? Okay. It's okay. Huwag mo ibabay. Okay na. 1, isipin mo na lang yung ice cream. Ice cream na kakainin. Very good. Naku. Ilang ice cream ba yung kakainin? Very good. Maramdaman. Very good. Galing. Ice cream na lang ang iisipin niya. Very good.
Very good.
Galing ah. Galing ng patient natin. Isipin lang niya yung ice cream. Dito ka. Sige. Tubig ah. Okay. Good. Dennis pa yung ano, etchan, mag-sisil tayo. Okay, go Momog.
You're good. Don't hit ano.
Habang naantay natin, magsisil muna tayo, ha? Brush ay ano na lang. Brush. Okay, very good. Okay, move ka sa akin. Okay, good. Wow.
Call mo si Mami. Make a toy.
Bottom lang
Si
yun.
Mami. You close the door kayo niya. Ay, tata.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Yun eh. Okay. Dito pa. 1, Tiger. Sige pa. Tiger pa. Pati pa mama. Okay. Okay. Lagyan na natin. Huwag pa sa akin. Huwag pa sa akin. Okay. Okay, good. Dito lang. Good, very good. Very good. Tubig ka pa. Okay, very good. Count lang tayo. 1 to 10. Okay. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up sticks. Very good. Okay, momok ka muna. Okay, chin up. Okay, okay, very good. Open wide lang. Open wide lang. Very good. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Shut the door. 5, 6.
It's okay, wait.
Pick up sticks. 7. Lead them straight. Very good. 9. 10. Beat. 5. Tulas ka muna. Okay, go move. Go, 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 go. Sige pa. Very good. Okay, good. Okay, very good. Konti lang ito. Sakto na yan. Good. Ah. Okay, dito lang. Sana. Parang malaking ice cream. Kaya yan, ikit mo pa. Kabig, hindi na ka malaking, Malaking, Okay, Sige ka. Okay, good. Okay. Very good. Very good. Move ka na.
Gargle.
Okay. And then 18 off. Okay, bite nga. Bite. Bite lang. Sige, bite. Okay. Okay. Try nating hawakan ng ipin, okay? Okay. Big up. And then chin up. Yun eh. Okay. Big up up. Yun na. Okay. Okay. Very good. It's okay, parang hinihila lang, okay? Parang gumaganon lang, okay? Very good. Okay. See? Okay ka lang? O, diba? Parang hinila lang natin yung isang ipin, okay? May isa pa, okay? Okay, good. Tapos, okay? Okay, okay. And then chin up. Okay, open mo. Open mo. Big up. Big up. Okay, good. Yung mas malaking up. Yun eh, parang kakain ng ice cream. Okay, very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. Fingers pa. Okay.
Permanent na po yung nandun sa dulo.
Yung sinira natin, permanent. Okay ka lang? Very good. Huwag mong kinakapanang mo yan, ha? Hayaan mo lang, no?
Don't
Huwag
touch.
mong gano'n. Do not touch with your tongue, okay? Then you can eat your ice cream, okay? Very good. Okay. Do you want to gargle? Hindi na. Tama na. Okay. Good. Okay, bite na. Okay, good. Done.
Done.
Do you want to bring this home?
Yan, ito daw nila kay Tooth Fairy.
Okay, sige.
Tooth
Put it in
Fairy.
a plastic, okay?
Fairy.
O, sige. Ay, nahulog pa. Okay.
Yan. It's ice cream time.
Yes, it's ice cream
Ah,
time.
ilang minutes po bago mo?
Mag-ice cream? Pwede na ngayon.
Sige.
Okay.
Let's go. It's Ate Tester.
Okay. Jenny, may flavor ka?
Pero next year.
Ikat na, no?
Ah,
Ikat lang.
nagkat.
Ay, ikat lang. Okay, ikat na lang yung sabot, no?
Mama, yes.
May isa lang ka.
Dua. Yes.